Today, we're going to look at how to connect your IOW Group Centrifuge to your CentriClean app via a remote monitoring SCU3 unit. Firstly, we want to open the CentriClean app and scan for available devices within the area. Today, we're going to set up the MP600. Click Connect, and this will take you to the Devices page. In this tab, you can enter in the location and operator of your centrifuge, and even add notes. This can be a really helpful tool to share information within a team. As you can see, our status is currently flashing red, as the alarm hours have expired. If you go across to your Settings tab, this is where you can change your device's alarms. Today we're going to set up an alarm so the centrifuge is serviced after 350 run hours, which we enter here. That's the first alarm now set, and the status of our centrifuge is green and running fine at around 5,300 RPM. To ensure our centrifuge is running as efficiently as possible, we are also going to set an alarm to alert the user if the RPMs drop. Going back to the Settings tab, and we want to be alerted if the RPMs reduce by 35%. I'll now show you the RPMs lowering. For this demo, I am using a device designed to replicate the engine RPMs and is connected to an SCU3 demo unit. It will take just a few seconds. Using Bluetooth connection, the SCU is now registering the reduction and the status has turned yellow. When the alarm limit is reached, the status will change to red. Once the service is completed, the centrifuge RPMs will return to normal, and the status light will return from red up to yellow and now green. The CentriClean app makes it so easy to check the running state of your oil filtration system and offers many other features too.